Hello, my dear students, and this is your part two. This is your part two for for the questions of 17 SDG Sustainable Development Program goals. Okay, so in the first part, I have done this question. We have done this part. Okay, this question was done. Federal trade. Okay, contribute to SDGs. So we have to start from here. So the first question is, dear students, how many people are living in extreme poverty worldwide? वर्ल्ड में कितने लोग एक्सट्रीम पॉवर्टी में रह रहे हैं, हमें ये इस बताना है इसमें. ठीक है, अब देखो. अराउंड 800 पीपल, बी अराउंड 8000 पीपल, सी over 800 million people. Okay, so we have to tell this. Over 800. So the correct answer, student, is over 800 million people. Million means lakh in Indian वाले में बोलें तो ठीक है. तो 800 people are living in extreme poverty worldwide. Next, the question number 2. How many people in the world are not eating enough to be in good health? Almost 90 people, almost 9000 people, almost 900 million people. Correct answer is 900 million people. Million, lakhs अगर इंडियन रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करें तो. Good health से related. What is the best for a newborn baby? Being bottle fed, drinking water, breastfeeding. Correct answer is breastfeeding. Okay, question number 4. Quality education. Education will make it hard for you to get job, will help you get a job and improve your health. Life is only useful for very smart kids. So the correct answer is will help you get a job and improve your life. Question number 5. How many countries in the world had a woman as president or head of state in 2017? Correct answer is option A 5, B 20, C 100. So correct answer is 20. Okay, question number 6. Related to clean water and sanitation. Where does most of the wastewater resulting from human activities go? It is treated and recycled. It is stored in safe places. C. It is discharged into rivers or seas without any treatment against pollution. तो ये है हालत. ठीक है, करेक्ट आंसर इज दिस, सी. नेक्स्ट, द क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 related to renewable energy. Global warming happens mainly because of an increase of a certain gas in the atmosphere. Which gas is it? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग किस गैस की ज़्यादा बढ़ने से होती है? ओजोन, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, मस्टर्ड गैस. करेक्ट आंसर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, CO2. ओके, नेक्स्ट, द 8th क्वेश्चन इज रिलेटेड टू डिसेंट वर्क एंड इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ. व्हाट डज इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ मीन्स? To save more money every month, prices are increasing, an increase in the value of goods and services produced by a country. Correct answer is C. An increase in the value of goods and services produced by a country. Next, the question number 9, students, related to industry, innovation and the infrastructure. So you have to tell the true and false. Everyone has access to electricity. True or false? False. हर किसी के पास थोड़ी ना इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मिलती है. अब आज भी इंडिया में कई सारे ऐसे स्टेट्स हैं जिसमें काफ़ी कम लोगों के पास ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, बिजली है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 रिलेटेड टू रिड्यूस्ड inequalities. Okay, at schools, girls should learn to knit and cook. Boys should learn science and technology. Girls and boys should have equal learning opportunities. Correct answer is C. Both of them should learn equal learning opportunity. Question number 11 related to sustainable cities and communities. What is renewable energy? Hmm? Energy that comes from natural sources, energy from outer spaces, a form of energy used by pharaohs of ancient Egypt. Renewable energy क्वेश्चन शायद पहले भी आया हुआ है. Energy that comes from natural resources and never runs out. Okay, A is the correct answer. Next question number 12 is, oil is the most polluting industry in the world. Which industry comes second? नंबर 1 पे आती है ऑयल. ठीक है, ऑयल की इंडस्ट्री जो होती है वो नंबर 1 पे आती है पोल्यूशन फैलाने में. तो सेकंड पे कौन सी आती है? कोल एक्सट्रैक्शन, सॉरी टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री और सेलफोन इंडस्ट्री. करेक्ट आंसर टेक्सटाइल. ओके, टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री. 13th question, students. Climate action. Related to climate action, countries should make sure they use more coal and oil for energy, nuclear energy, energy from the sun, wind and waves. Okay, so that the environment will not be polluted. Okay, next, your question number 14 related to life below water. 14th goal. So what percentage of all the species living in the ocean have been identified? Around 5%, around 50%, more than 80%. Correct answer is only 5%. Next, the question number 15 on life on land. Okay, biodiversity is a diversity of animals and plants species living on our planets. B, the variety of healthy products you can find in a supermarket. Number of planets where human could live. Correct answer is the word diversity. तो आपने साइंस में पढ़ा होगा. The diversity of animal and plant species living on our planet. Okay. Next, your question related to peace, justice, and strong institution. A blue helmet is a soldier who works with the United Nations to maintain peace. A firefighter in the Navy. A child soldier. Correct answer is a blue helmet is a soldier who works with the United Nations to maintain peace. Okay. To maintain peace. This is the correct answer. Next. So students, ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आपका जो आपसे रिलेटेड है पार्टनरशिप फॉर द गोल्स. ये क्वेश्चन आप मुझे बताएंगे और इसका आंसर आप मुझे बताएंगे कमेंट बॉक्स में. ओके, सो अगर आप चाहें तो स्क्रीनशॉट ले सकते हैं. यू कैन टेक स्क्रीनशॉट. ओके, ओके. सो ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. इसको मैं क्वेश्चन बता देते हैं आपको. व्हाट हैज़ मेड कम्युनिकेशन अमंग पार्टनर्स ईजियर. किसने ईजी बनाया है? पैसेंजर्स, पिजन, द इंटरनेट, मैसेजेस इन बॉटल्स. ओके, अब देख लेना. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट द क्वेश्चन. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल लिविंग इन पॉवर्टी लिव इन यूरोप, North and South America, Africa and Asia. Correct answer is Africa and Asia. Question number 2 related to second goal, zero hunger. Which of these statement is true? कौन सी statements में सही है? You need at least one sweetened fizzy drink per day to stay healthy. There is enough food to feed the world. You can stay healthy if you don't eat vegetables or fruits. Correct is this. Okay. Next is good health related question. How many minutes of exercise should children between 5 and 17 do every day? 60 minutes, 30 minutes. Children do need to do exercise every day. Correct answer is 60 minutes. Okay. Next, your question number 4. Quality education. Quality education is good for improving health, reducing poverty, or both. Both of the things is important for quality education. Okay. Who should do the cooking and cleaning in the house? The males in the house, the females in the house, everyone should help out. यानी कि इसका मतलब है कि हर किसी को हेल्प करनी चाहिए. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट द क्वेश्चन, क्लीन वाटर एंड सैनिटेशन, विच स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट? कौन सी स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है? मोर पीपल हैव अ मोबाइल फोन देन अ टॉयलेट. यानी कि लोगों के पास टॉयलेट ना होकर भी मोबाइल फ़ोन है. मोस्ट पीपल हैव टॉयलेट्स बट कांट अफोर्ड अ मोबाइल फ़ोन. एवरीवन हैज़ बोथ अ मोबाइल फ़ोन एंड अ टॉयलेट. करेक्ट आंसर इज मोर पीपल हैव अ मोबाइल फ़ोन देन अ टॉयलेट. जिसके घर में टॉयलेट नहीं होता उसके पास फ़ोन तो होता है ना. फ़ोन अफोर्ड कर सकता है वो, लेकिन टॉयलेट नहीं अफोर्ड कर सकता. नेक्स्ट दिस, रीन्यूएबल एनर्जी क्या है? Some energy sources are renewable. Why? Because they do not pollute, because they are brand new, because they can be replenished by nature in the short time. Okay. Next, students, recent work and economic growth related question. How many people are jobless worldwide? पूरे वर्ल्ड में jobless कितने लोग हैं? 200 million. Million means lakh. Okay. Next, question number 9. Industry, innovation and infrastructure. Which one of these innovation is the best at fighting climate change? Option A, an electric car. Option B, a diesel car. C, a petrol car. Correct answer is the electric car. Okay. Next, your question number 10, students. To reduce healthy inequalities, all children should have access to clean drinking water, medical care, vaccines, all of the above. सो स्टूडेंट्स ऑप्शंस एक बार दोबारा सुन लो. क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर, मेडिकल केयर, वैक्सीन्स और ऑल ऑफ द अबव. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑल ऑफ द अबव. एवरीथिंग इज वी शुड हैव एक्सेस. All children should have access to these 3 things to reduce health inequalities. Okay. Sustainable cities and communities. Where is the fastest urbanization in the world happening? Europe, the United States of America, in developing countries. ठीक है. हर डेवलपिंग कंट्री में ऐसा हो रहा है कि फास्ट अर्बनाइजेशन फैलता जा रहा है. यानी अर्बनाइजेशन यानी कि शहर बन रहे हैं. ओके. योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 is responsible consumption and production. Plastic bags are a big problem for our environment. This country was the first to ban plastic bags. Sweden, Russia, Rwanda. Correct answer is Rwanda. Rwanda is the first country who banned plastic bags. Okay. So question number 13 is here. Climate actions related question है. Who is in charge of looking after the planet? Who is in charge of looking after the planet? Scientists, famous people, government officials, or everyone? Okay. So the correct answer is, students, everyone. Everyone is responsible and in charge of looking after his planet, means to say Earth. Now the question number 14. Question number 14, students, related to life below water. True or false? If you do not change our habits by 2050, there will be more plastic in the ocean than there are fish. जितनी fish हैं उससे भी कहीं ज़्यादा प्लास्टिक होगा 2050 तक ओशंस में. ट्रू और फॉल्स? करेक्ट आंसर इज ट्रू. ओके. अगर हम अपनी आदत नहीं सुधारते हैं तो. नेक्स्ट योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 इज लाइफ ऑन लैंड. ग्लोबली forests are growing. There are 3 trees. So the students, A option is growing. There are 3 everywhere. Trees, sorry बच्चा. A option is growing. There are trees everywhere. Okay. Being cut down at the same rate they are being replanted. C option is vanishing. Around half of all forests have already disappeared. Correct answer is this, C. Vanishing. Around half of all forests have already disappeared. Okay. Next, the question number 16. Peace, justice and strong institutions related. What is the refugee camp? A summer camp in the mountains, a camp for the protection of people when they flee from their homes. Next is a military camp. The correct answer is this only, bacha. Have you seen how many of the refugees are being made at the time of any kind of war, world war? Okay. Next, the question number 17, students, related to your partnership for the goals. Now this question, I am giving you this question as an homework, and you have to tell me the correct answer for this question in the comment box only. Okay, so you can take the screenshot here. Okay, have you taken the screenshot? Okay, hope you have taken. Okay, just tell me the answer in the comment box only. Okay, option A, B and C. Next, your question number. Okay, students, so in 1990 almost 4 in 10 people, 38% lived in extreme poverty. How many people live in extreme poverty now? 1990 में 10 लोगों में से 4 लोग एक्सट्रीम पॉवर्टी में रहते थे, लेकिन अब एक्सट्रीम पॉवर्टी में कितने लोग रहते हैं? 1 in 10, 3 in 10, 5 in 10. So the correct answer is 1 in 10. Okay. Next, your question number 2. So the question number 2 is related to your zero hunger. Okay, what is malnutrition? When you don't have a 3-course meal, when you don't eat meat every day. Question number option C is when you don't eat enough healthy food for a certain period of time. The correct answer is this only, C. When you don't eat enough healthy food for a certain period of time. Okay. Now the question number 3. Good health. Which of these insects has helped spread the diseases malaria? Mosquito, dragonflies, fireflies. Correct answer is mosquitoes. Okay, mosquitoes spread the malaria. Now question number 4 related to your quality education. What percentage of adults today are literate? Okay, meaning they can read and write. Okay, illiterate का मीनिंग भी आपको बता दिया यहाँ पे कि वो पढ़ भी सकते हैं, लिख भी सकते हैं. तो कितने लोग हैं पूरे वर्ल्ड में एडल्ट्स? ठीक है, 80%, 60%, 30%. करेक्ट आंसर 80%. ओके. नेक्स्ट, जेंडर इक्वालिटी. What percentage of researchers in science and technology are women? 50%, 30%, 70%. Correct answer 30%. Next, question number 6. Clean water and sanitation. ठीक है. What percentage of water in the world is potable? Only 3%. Potable means able to drink water. Okay, only 3%. Half of all water, 50%. Almost of it, 97%. No. Okay, correct answer will be only 3%. Next, renewable energy question. Which of these is a renewable energy source? Oil, gas, sunlight. Correct answer sunlight. Question number 8. Decent work and economic growth question. True and false आपको बताना है. Every adult possesses a bank account. False. यानी कि हर एडल्ट के पास एक बैंक अकाउंट है, लेकिन जो अनपढ़ होगा, जिसके पास कोई जॉब नहीं होगी, उसके पास कहाँ से बैंक अकाउंट आएगा? सो इसलिए ये फॉल्स है. ठीक है, हर किसी के पास नहीं है. इंडस्ट्री, इनोवेशन एंड इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन. व्हाट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर what infrastructure is important for quality education? Okay, option A, playgrounds and snacks, clean schools, teachers and books, and C is soft beverages dispenser. The correct answer is B, clean schools, teachers and books. Okay, this is what you call quality education is important for. Next, the question number 10, students. Related to your reduced inequalities. We can fight inequalities by making sure that all children have access to a good education, making sure that everyone is wearing the same clothes, making sure that everyone watch the same TV. So funny options are there, है ना? आपको मज़ा आ रहा होगा अब तो करने में, है ना? So the correct answer is making sure that all children have access to a good education. Okay, so correct answer is this only. Next, your question number 11, sustainable cities and communities. Question, in 2030 what percentage of the world's population will live in urban areas? 2030 आते आते कौन सी परसेंटेज है, कितनी परसेंटेज अर्बन एरियाज में रहेगी? 60%, 100%, 20%? करेक्ट आंसर 60%. ओके. नेक्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स, योर 12th क्वेश्चन related to responsible consumption and production. How do bees help our environment? They help plants grow and make food. They do not help, they just make honey. See, they eat other insects. Now the correct answer is, students, they help plants growing and make food. Okay. Next, question number 13, climate action, related to climate action. In 2015, where did world leaders agree to a plan for our climate? Paris Agreement, London, Big Ben Agreement, New York, the Manhattan Agreement. Okay, so the correct answer is Paris. In 2015, world leaders agree. In 2015, world leaders agree to plan for our climate. Okay, so the correct answer is Paris Agreement. Now the question number 14 is life below water. Plastic bags are dangerous for turtles because sometimes they think they are food, a toy, a shell. ये टर्टल्स के लिए बहुत डेंजरस होता है प्लास्टिक बैग, बिकॉज कभी वो समझ लेते हैं कि वो खाना है उनके लिए, और वो खा लेते हैं एंड देन मर जाते हैं. Next, question number 15. Life on land. Trees are essential because they are habitat for wildlife. You can climb them. Plastic is produced from trees. Okay. Correct answer is they are habitat for wildlife. Okay. Next, children's, your question number 16 related to peace, justice and strong institution. So what is child displacement? When a child goes on holiday, when a child is displaced due to armed conflict. And C is when a child spends the night at friend's home. So funny options na. Correct answer is this only, bacha. When a child is displaced due to armed conflict. Okay. So again comes the last question, your 17th goal related question. Your 17th goal, that is partnership for the goals. Okay. So again I would say that please ये वाला क्वेश्चन आप मुझे कमेंट में बताना इसका आंसर क्या होगा. ठीक है. आई वॉन्ट टू चेक योर नॉलेज. ओके. क्वेश्चन है इसमें, हु शुड बी इन्वॉल्व इन पार्टनरशिप टू अचीव द 17 SDGs? सिटीजन्स, गवर्नमेंट्स, कैंपेन्स, कंपनीज एंड ऑल ऑफ दिस. सो आप बताना मुझे करेक्ट आंसर इसका. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज द सो चिल्ड्रंस, दीज वर आवर question answer for sustainable development goals related questions. Okay, so you can take the screenshot of this question. Okay, and after taking the screenshot, please let me know in the comment box what will be the correct answer. Okay. Okay, students, so these were questions for your sustainable development goals. And now I would like to say thank you for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye everyone.